There is now a new way to record expenses in KashFlow. Firstly, from the main dashboard, at the top there is a drop down, and if you click on there you'll have the option to create an expense as well as creating a purchase. If you click create an expense, that will take you straight through to complete that process. Alternatively, you can just go to the purchases screen on the left hand side, and once you're in here, where it says create purchase at the top of the screen, there is a little arrow, and if you click that you'll have the option to create an expense. When you click create an expense, all you need to do is put the relevant information in here. So what did you buy? So I bought a train ticket. Where from? You can see when I type National Rail, they will actually come up as a supplier. If I've never purchased anything from this supplier before, then that will just create a new supplier record within the system. You can then choose the date, choose the account that it was paid out of, so it will give you a list of all of your credit card and bank accounts in here. So you just choose the account, how did you pay, choose the method of payment within here, choose the nominal category. You can add a new nominal from here as well. If you click the drop down box, that will bring up all of your nominal codes within here. So this was a train ticket, so I just need to go to travel, put in the value, and then choose whether or not it's inclusive of VAT. You can also put in any other comments in here. If you have your KashFlow account connected to Dropbox, you also have the option to attach a receipt. So you can just go attach receipt, and then all you need to do is choose a relevant receipt and just hit save. What happens then when you create an expense? You can see it's created, obviously I've got my supplier in there, it's created the expense, it's marked it as paid straight away. So if I go down to my bank module on the left hand side, I can now see that my expense account, because that's the account I've chosen, is showing as minus £6.40. If I view an ad, I can see here that that transaction has been recorded in there as well. And if we go to suppliers, we will see under my supplier list I have National Rail, and if I click into National Rail and look at all of the transactions in there, that expense receipt is marked as paid. If you go through to the purchase screen, you'll see that that expense is now classed as an expense and not a purchase, and has been marked as paid straight away. And because it's got a little attachment icon next to it, it just means when you click into that, you'll be able to view and download the original copy receipt, which stores in the background within your Dropbox account. And to repeat that process, you would just complete that and go to create an expense again, and you can just record all of those expenses within the KashFlow system.